Welcome to Geeks und Drakon, here be dragons. So I'm starting a new video segment called How in the Hell, where I cover how certain pieces of seemingly magical tech work. If you are curious about something that you can't figure out, let me know in the comments and I will try to cover it. So today I'm going to cover vein finders. And while on the topic of finding things, I bet you can find that subscribe button at the bottom and go ahead and click it. So, if you've been to the hospital recently, you've probably ran into a vein finder, especially if you have hard to find veins. These are basically handheld devices that project your veins onto your arm using a laser. The nurse can then easily see where to poke you at. So, in order to understand these, we need to start with the original vein finder. These were just pieces of plastic with a really bright red LED, specifically 620 to 680 nanometers, with a brightness of over 4,000 millicandela, arranged around the U-shaped hole in the middle. Hackaday actually has an article on how to make one, and as you can see, when being used, the vein actually shows up darker. Now, these work because the iron in the blood absorbs more light than the surrounding tissue, especially in the red spectrum. This means that you can also use infrared light to easily see the veins. Except we can't see IR. But every camera can, and generally, cameras have an IR filter to block it. So, the vein finder device simply projects IR light onto your arm, and the built-in camera can then see where the veins are at. Here's the really cool part. In order for us to see it, that camera view is converted to visible light and then projected through a small laser projector onto your arm. It's a really simple and brilliant method. Anyways, have a great day.